Good morning, ladies. I wanted to hop on here and go through this final exam information with you because this week is basically review and it's kind of just on you, and I will be here if you have questions, and there'll be a Zoom session. Let this car get by. Okay, so as I posted after your test last Thursday, it showed on my end that 4 people had not taken the test, okay, which just concerned me a lot. And then somebody spoke up just today and said, hey, my grade looks weird. And so because of that, 4 of you guys, you took the test, okay, because when I went back in and basically made all the tests finish, you had a score, okay. One of the things you want to make sure and do is that you submit, okay? It may say that you're done on the end, but make sure you submit for scoring, because I did not get your grades on my end until I went in and forced submission. So again, I can't see that unless you submit your test. So I've gone back through and corrected those. Also, the bonus point opportunity is still up there until tonight at midnight. As I get those, I will update your grade. But your final total points that you'll use to figure your grade in this presentation will not be, unless you get it in this afternoon, it won't be up until tomorrow morning for sure. So for sure by tomorrow morning, you will have your total points on there from bonus also. And again, it's bonus, you don't have to do it. Final exam information. So I've posted this. We'll go over it. So your test is Monday, May the 4th. The testing window is from 6 a.m. to 11:59 p.m. So it's open all day, morning, noon, and night. Your time limit is 2 hours and 2.5 hours. 2.5 hours, so 2 hours, 30 minutes. 100 points. There are 50 questions, and there were 2 points apiece. So they are multiple choice, and you get 1 submission. Your Zoom test review session will be Thursday night, April the 30th at 6 p.m. So this is if you have questions. You're welcome to submit them to me earlier due to as you get things together for your test. So I do encourage you to send me questions if you have them, and I can work on them from here. Now, to figure your grade, so in the morning after I've put bonus points into your total grade and updated grades, you can figure your grade on what you need on the final to get what grade you want in the class. So final grade formula is as follows. Okay, so from Blackboard, get your total points, okay, round it to a whole number, and then take whatever grade you want, so A, B, C, or D, take the number sitting here, subtract your total number of points, okay, and then if it's over 100, that grade is not possible, but take this number, subtract your total points, and it's whatever you get, that's what you need to make on the final. Your test covers chapters 7 through 10. So we did decimals, fractions, percentages, chapter 7. Chapter 8 was looking at all real numbers, so creating number sentences, converting, things like that, solving for X. And as I made the test, I sat down and just kind of made a list of things that are on it. So here's that list. You can go through and correspond things in your notes, and it should be pretty well in order. As going from chapter 7, 8, 9, and 10. So if you do have questions about it, please reach out. I cannot say that enough because I'm not being reached out to. This has probably been easier on me than it has on you, just because students don't reach out. So, and the ones that have been doing great. So again, so your test is on Monday. Remember, it's a different day. The mass majority of people, I think I had 1 person that did not want to take it earlier. So, but we're taking it earlier. Okay, majority rules. So, test is Monday, May the 4th. The testing window is 6 a.m. Your time limit, your questions. So, if you have questions, reach out. Otherwise, I will see you If you do have questions in person, Zoom test session is Thursday, April the 30th at 6 p.m. And the Zoom link for that is in the announcements. Have a great day.